What's up, BitTorrent holder? BitTorrent holder, I have very important update for all my viewers, my subscriber, and BitTorrent holder. Please, if you want my friends to get a very good earn money, my friends, very good profit from BitTorrent now. So please, my friends, subscribe this channel because we are update. We all share opinion and price prediction videos. My brother, absolutely after a short time, every coin will pump. Everybody understand this now, but because this is very simple now, my friends, especially when a coin was starting moving upward, so therefore some coins were very badly fails down. Absolutely, this is, my friend, normal condition of crypto market. But in those days, all crypto market is not comfortable, and definitely every coin, my friends, were very badly fails down 20%, 30%, my friend. A lot of coins were fails down 30%. So it's a very bad fails, my friends, but don't worry, after a short jump, absolutely they will very badly dumps down. Kindly holder, if you also, my friends, want to get a profit and go now, so this is a very bad, my friends. And those days, especially some holders are doing very huge mistakes, so therefore the price will fails down and definitely they cannot get a profit. But don't pay, my friends, after a short fails they will again starting, my friend, investing more and more, and the coin is going to be viral. So thanks for watching holder. Kindly like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.